This video demonstrates the recommended method for setting up and dismantling a Hufcor Movable Walls installation. Correct handling will reduce maintenance costs and ensure safe, trouble-free operation. The operation is easy when the correct procedure is followed. Of course, care is needed at all times to avoid damage and to ensure personal safety. It takes around 30 minutes for one operator to set up a room this size. When not in use, the panels are kept out of sight in the storage area. All of the panels are taken carefully out of the storage area and spread evenly along the track to distribute the load. Take care moving the carrier units through the junction points and onto the main track. Ideally, you can move 2 panels at a time, keeping them separated. Leave a small gap for access to the locking mechanism. Be careful not to let the panels crash together. Uncontrolled impact may damage the precision male and female aluminium extrusions. If that happens, the panels will no longer fit together accurately and the sound seal may be damaged. Don't forget the small gap. Until the panels are locked into position, they are not connected to the floor. Be careful not to allow them to swing excessively and contact each other. Be aware that the panels are heavy. They have considerable momentum and can take some effort to stop. When all panels are out of the storage area, the first panel is moved up to the wall and locked in with the portable handle. The top seal is raised into position to contact the track to secure the panel and create a sound seal. At the same time, the lower seal moves down to contact the floor and hold the panel firmly in place. Movement is prevented and sound transmission greatly reduced. The second panel is moved carefully but firmly against the first and secured to the overhead track and the floor in the same way. The operator then repeats the procedure for the rest of the panels in turn. Take care to keep hands clear. Don't wrap fingers around the end of the panel. Keep fingers extended. When all the panels have been locked in place, the installation is complete. For security, the storage area doors can be locked to prevent access between divided rooms. Dismantling the panels and moving them back into the storage area is just the same procedure in reverse. Unlock each panel in turn to release the top and bottom seals and free the panels for movement along the track. The panels can then be moved back into the storage area. Approach the track junction slowly to avoid damaging the carrier units. Move each of the 2 carrier units carefully through the 2 junctions. The panels are then moved into the storage area. Be careful not to let them swing excessively as they could be damaged by contact with other panels. Above all, common sense and care in following the procedure demonstrated will keep the installation in good condition and operating safely indefinitely. Thanks for choosing Hufcor.